To Farhan and Vivek, as a child or as a teen, एक क्रिकेट का किट ओन करना was a very proud moment. तो अगर उस बात को लेकर कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे, if you have any memories actually, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I remember when I was a child and Vivek got me my first my first cricket kit. नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है मतलब, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ एक लाइट बात पर ही अभी एंड करना चाहूँगा कि कांदा का इतना बात होगी कि इतनी बातें हुई है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये सीजन बॉल जो है इस पोस्टर पे इसे निकाल कर अब एक कांदा हमने यहाँ पर लगाया, ये मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
Well, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके सवाल के लिए. और जैसा आपने सुना कि कांदा
days used to be empty roads, right, in Mumbai. Can't remember, that totally dates us, by the way. And अभी भी वो दिन याद है यार, जब सब पिच इन करते थे, 4 रुपए का रबर बॉल आता था और रबर बॉल जिसने घुमाया फिर वो रोता था कि अब मुझे 4 रुपए पूरे भरने पड़ेंगे नया रबर बॉल लेने के लिए. तो वो सारे ड्रामे, वो अंकल के यहाँ जाके खटखटाना कि सॉरी अंकल आपके फर्स्ट फ्लोर की बालकनी के अंदर हमारा बॉल चला गया है, उनका गाली देना कि कांच के पेन्स तोड़ रहे हो. मतलब all those experiences is what kind of we grew up with. And I remember post 83 there was this Campacola campaign, right, which used to have the players' faces behind the caps,
Yeah.
right? And then if you collected enough of them, you could go and get at your store.
I remember Vivek telling me about this.
Huh?
विवेक मुझे बताता था ये सब मुझे from his time.
हाँ, जब आप छोटे थे तो मैं आपको कहानियाँ बताता था. Right. ज़्यादा तूफान मत मचाओ अभी. तो yes, I remember.
So that's a few of the themes. It's fiction.
Well played, Karan. Well played.
Farhan wants to
No, if I just may say, while Karan was very, very sweetly and sincerely answering his question, Richa's giving him reviews from the side of every point. Well said. Good. Yes. Fantastic.
Now you know what shoot is like.
Well, thank you so
Vivek Oberoi. Richa just said kanda. She used the word kanda. It did not land well though. Layers after layers, onion. And we have seen that, the shades of grey and positive both. How do you see all these layers? Are they evolving? Does that help you evolve as a person, as a performer as well?
That's a very kanda question. Lots of layers in that question itself. If we go back to the genesis of Inside Edge, it became India's first multi-genre series, right? You had two things, sports and politics, which are both highly spoken about. At every pan ki tapri that you go around, to every boardroom that you go to in India, there'll be a conversation about cricket and politics, always. So that obsession kind of was written in. But how do you make it interesting? I think the soul of Inside Edge, Karan and the writers, what they've created is the characters. That's why there's such a high sense of identification with every character. When you read forums, when you read responses, when we go online, when we meet fans, they're always relating to each character, right? They've got some personal relationship going on with each character. Somebody's totally in love with Shayoni, somebody's totally in love with, what Tanuj is playing as Vayu. So I think that connect is what matters. And how do you keep that connect? Over the past 4 or 5 years, over 3 seasons, you have to keep layering the characters, peeling layer after layer, getting you to see deeper, getting you to know them more, getting you to see their vulnerabilities. And that is a writing challenge. And that I think Karan and his writers have done phenomenally well. And that's what the differentiator of this show is. Every single character has kanda, has layers, has a potential to grow. But no bad breath, I promise you.
Hi, this is Sohail over here. Congratulations to the entire team.
Wish you all the best for that. Richa, sorry, मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो पहली बार बोलता हूँ तो ऐसे चिल्ला रहा हूँ लग रहा है, but
You missed the pause.
I missed the pause.
There's got to be a deep pregnant pause. It's going to be like, okay, pause, bhai saab. And then
okay.
little chin nod maybe.
Yeah. Okay, bhai sahab.
Brilliant. I'm seriously feeling insecure right now.
Thank you. Richa, you've been a part of